Imagine standing at the edge of history, where knowledge was a canvas, and a man named Euclid dared to paint the foundation of logic and order. Known as the father of geometry, Euclid didn't simply create rules for shapes and spaces. He crafted a method of thinking that has guided humanity for over 2 millennia. His work, The Elements, is a testament to the power of structure, clarity, and determination, proof that even the most complex problems can be solved when approached step by step. Euclid's lessons transcend mathematics. They whisper to the dreamer in all of us that greatness is built on fundamentals. You don't need to conquer the entire mountain in one day. Instead, lay one stone, then another, and let your persistence carve a path to the summit. He reminds us that no goal is too distant, no problem too unsolvable if you are willing to break it down, analyze it, and tackle it with precision and patience. Think about this. Euclid lived in a time without the tools and conveniences we take for granted. No computers, no calculators, not even a universally accepted system of measurement. And yet, his work has become a cornerstone for engineering, architecture, and even the algorithms driving today's technology. He teaches us that limitations are often a matter of perspective. Where others saw obstacles, Euclid saw challenges to be understood and mastered. In life, we're often confronted with chaos, unpredictable moments, overwhelming decisions, or a lack of direction. But Euclid teaches us that order is possible. His geometric proofs are like life's truths. If you're willing to start with simple principles and trust the process, clarity emerges. He proved that complexity can be tamed, and success is not just about leaps, but steady, intentional steps forward. Today, take inspiration from Euclid's legacy. When you face challenges, ask yourself, what is my foundation? What simple truth can I build on? Whether you're constructing a business, pursuing a dream, or navigating life's labyrinth, let Euclid's wisdom guide you. Break it down, simplify, build layer upon layer until your masterpiece takes shape. Remember, your dreams are like the shapes Euclid studied, beautiful, intricate, and entirely within your power to design. Like him, you have the tools within you to craft your version of the elements, not with compass and straight edge, but with resilience and purpose. Keep building, keep believing, and let your legacy stand as firm as the geometric truths that Euclid brought to life.